Indian Railways is one of the largest and busiest rail networks in the world, covering more than 67,000 kilometers of track and carrying over 20,000 trains daily. Indian Railway serves various purposes, such as passenger transport, freight transport, suburban transport, and urban transit. It also connects different regions, cultures, and languages of the country and plays a vital role in its economic and social development. India is a large and diverse country with a growing economy and a huge demand for freight transport. However, the existing railway network is congested and overburdened by passenger and freight traffic, resulting in delays, inefficiencies, and high logistics costs. To overcome these challenges and boost the country's industrial growth and competitiveness, India needs double-stack trains. Double-stack trains are freight trains that carry 2 layers of containers on flat wagons, thus increasing the load capacity and efficiency of freight transport. Double-stack trains can carry about twice as many containers as single-stack trains in a given length of train. Double-stack trains also enable faster and cheaper connectivity to ports and markets, which is crucial for India's export-oriented sectors. India is one of the few countries in the world that has adopted double-stack train technology. Double-stack container train is a novel concept in India, which aims to boost the country's industrial growth and reduce the logistics cost. The first double-stack container train in India was run on the Jaipur-Mundra port route in 2009 on non-electrified diesel routes. This route was chosen because it had no overhead electrification wires or bridges that could obstruct the height of the double-stack train. The train was 19 feet high and carried goods such as cars, steel, consumer goods, and medicines. The operators of the container trains were given a rebate of 50% for the top layer of containers, thus reducing the unit cost of haulage. In 2020, Indian Railways created a new world record by successfully running the first double-stack container train in high-rise overhead electrified sections, with a contact wire height of 7.57 meters. The operations commenced from Palampur and Bodad stations in Gujarat. This was a remarkable achievement as it required high-reach pantographs to collect power from the overhead wires without touching the containers. The high-rise overhead electrification also enabled faster and greener movement of freight trains. The double-stack container train is a part of the Dedicated Freight Corridor (DFC) project. The Dedicated Freight Corridor project is an initiative of the Indian government to build special railway lines for freight trains, connecting major industrial and port hubs across the country. The project aims to provide a safe and efficient freight transportation system that can decongest the existing railway network, reduce logistics costs, enhance trade competitiveness, and support economic growth. The project is being implemented by a public sector undertaking called the Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India, DFCCIL, which was established in 2006. The project involves the construction of 6 freight corridors, of which 2 are currently under progress. The Western DFC from Dadri to Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, and the Eastern DFC from Ludhiana to Dankuni. The project is expected to be completed by 2024. The other 4 corridors are still in the planning stage. The double-stack container train has several advantages for India's economy and environment. It can carry more cargo in less space and time, thus saving fuel and reducing carbon emissions. It can also enhance the competitiveness of Indian exports by providing faster and cheaper connectivity to ports and markets. It can also create employment opportunities and spur industrial development along the corridors. In conclusion, the double-stack container train is a revolutionary innovation in India's freight transport sector that can transform the country's logistics landscape and contribute to its growth and development.